Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, today I am going to take few more examples of factorization, and which are going to I am picking from papers, that is sources are Cambridge, and paper is 2025, and question number is 10. Here is a simple question was given: 2x plus 6 minus 3xy minus 9y. Now what you have to do, this is not a quadratic equation, it is already split form. Now you have to group them in the terms. First group 2x plus 6, this is x and this is without x, and second is with xy and 9. Now again there is a minus there, minus is also here, so you must take minus outside, and that is called common. We take minus out common, so the answer will be positive, because when you multiply you will get same minus 3x minus 9y. Now we have grouped them. This is your x. Now we will check it, what is there going on. Now here 2 and 6, you can see 2 and 6, there is 2 is also included in 6, like 6 3 the 2 3 the 6, so we will break 6 and take 2 outside. Now when we take outside, we will not write inside x, 2 is here. Okay, now divide this 6 by this 2 and you will get 3, so this is a 3. Now we have taken 2x plus 3. Now from the second group, 3x plus y. Now you can see that there is a 3 is here, and 9 is also is the factor of 3, that is it comes in the table of 3. Now you will take 3 outside, then you have to divide this 9 and you will get 3. Now again you see that there is another number or alphabet, y is here, y is also here. Now the power of both y are same, so it means y you can take outside. When you take outside, you will not write inside the bracket. I am taking y and also 3 outside, 3y is outside. Now the remaining is only x is here. Now we have only x is here, we will put it into the bracket only x, so x is here. Now the next plus will remains plus, because I am only considering this plus, and minus is in the question. So now this y is removed, and this 9 you will divide by 3, you will get 3. So this is the way we have taken the common. X plus 3 is here and x plus 3 is here. Now these you can see that both brackets are same. Now take them out, factor out the common binomial. Now we can also say binomial, but you remember that this x plus 3 and x plus 3 same, you have taken outside x plus 3. Now you put right in. Now the remaining is 2, make another bracket 2 and then write minus 3y. Now again you have to write the sign also. So this is the way you have factorized it. Now if you want solution, either or, you can get answer from either and or, you will get answer, and we have answer and you will get the answer in this way. So this is the way we can do it. So we made the both factors x plus 3 and 2 minus 3y. Now the next question is again from your GEC levels, and this is your question 2, and this I have given them the question 2, but is not question 2. Cambridge, this is mathematics, and 2020 question 5, A part second. Now let me solve it for the solution. First of all, you have to identify this question. This is your question, x square minus 40x plus 3. Now again rule is the same. This is a quadratic equation, or equation quadratic means you have to identify which is your A, and which is 300 is your C, and A is 1 here. Now multiply by 1, you can get 300, because here is 1, you cannot avoid this step. Now you have to find factors whose multiplication will give you 300, and when you subtract, now remember that there is a center, there is a negative sign. In center we have negative, it means that you will take both factors negative, otherwise your answer will be, by adding, will not be 40, because the factors. Now we have 300, lot of factors of 300. You can now I'm taking again this question so you can clearly understand. We have x square minus 40, here a is 1, b is minus 14, 300 is our c. Now multiplying we will get 300. This step is not necessary in this, but we have formula, we have to multiply a and c, then find the pairs. Now we have these pairs, 1 300, 1 250. When you multiply 1 you will get 300, when 2 multiply 50 you will 300, and 3 multiply by 100. Now remember, though you have a negative sign in, now you have to take those factors, when you add up you will give right, and in this way you can possible factor find out. Now check with the sum minus 40. Now whose sum is minus 40? Now you can see that there is a minus 30 and minus 10. If you take both negative this factor, you will get minus 40, and when you multiply both minus you will have positive 30. Now remember that sign is important, sign must be same as in the question, minus 30 and minus 10. And I already told you, when there is a sign negative in the center you have to take both negative. Now we have two factors, minus 40 and 30, and now we have minus 30 and minus 10. We have taken both factors. Now we split the middle term, x square minus 30x minus 10x. Now it is not necessary write first any factor, you can write first and then second. Now factor, we are now grouping it. Now make a group x square minus 3x, and again we have minus in the front. When minus the front you have to take minus here. Now the inside sign will be changed into negative, because this is the rule, when you multiply it will give you again plus. So I have taken the minus common. Now you can also write here 1 if you like, but it is not necessary. Now see which factor is common. Here x square and here is x, only x is common, because there are 2x and there is only 1x, so you are taking x outside. Now x square will reduce into x, and this x will be removed, and you have a 30 here. Now in this question part you see that x is on the first term, so you cannot take x because there is no x in it with 300. So what is common? 10 is common, because 10 30 is 300, so I will take 10 outside and then x minus 300. Now this is the factors we have. Again you can see that we have both common factors here. It always happens when we factorize both negative and more negative questions. Now you can see that you have to take common x minus 30 and x minus 30 from here. You have taken x minus 30 outside. Now in the second bracket you put x and minus 10, you will get the answer. So your final answer is here. Your final answer, you will find that this is your final answer.